What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get a loan in BillEase. So you might be wondering how to exactly get or set up a loan here for or in BillEase. Well, getting one is really easy. So first things first is you want to access your BillEase account here via the app itself and just basically log in into your account. Now in order for you to basically get a loan here, you need to verify yourself first. So that includes you activating your account. So activating your account is really easy. You just need to provide some certain details about yourself, personal details, and also you need to provide a government issued ID. This can be your driver's license or your passport here, as long as it's published or was issued by the government. Now you also need to do a selfie of yourself, so go ahead and just click on activate account here and just follow the on-screen steps. But once you've done that, you just need to click on the cash loan button here, and you should be able to see the cash loan page. Now the cash loan page here, this actually allows you to basically add new accounts that you want to basically get your loan for, and also you could go and select your account here, or your account that you want to send to if you already have it linked in your account. But go and click on add new account here if you want to link a new account. Now in here you could go and just choose your installment details here. So the maximum installment details that you could get here, installment amount here is going to be around like a loan amount here is going to be around 30,000, but you could go and adjust this. A minimum is around like 500 Philippine peso. Now you could also choose your installment term here, so you can go and choose how much or how long. So max is 9 months, minimum is 2 months here. Now you could also choose your payment frequency here, every month or twice a month here. But at the very bottom, you should see an option here that says continue. So go ahead and just click on continue once you are sure. Now, by the way, just keep in mind that higher the amount that you are going to borrow here, the in this case, the bigger is the interest can be on the following months. But yeah, so go ahead and just calculate that. But once you click on continue, you just need to review a few things here. So loan amount here, the account that you are going to send your or going to receive your loan here. But once you're sure, just click on continue. Now from here, you just need to review a few things. You need to review the contracts here. So I highly suggest that you read through all of this one just to be sure that you know that what you're going to and what are your rights. But once you've done that, you could go ahead and click on confirm at the very bottom of your screen, and you should be good. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.